Okay, so every single day, something new just goes completely viral. And this week, you shared one that was pretty wild.
Yeah, this one was big, the Ryobi hover disc.
Exactly. I mean, the videos look so professional. You see the actual Ryobi branding, the power packs. This thing just seems tantalizingly real. So let's unpack this.
And that was really the core question we had to tackle. Is this some kind of genuine breakthrough, using power tools to fly, or is
Uh,
it just digital smoke and mirrors?
Right. So our mission for this deep dive is a quick but definitive reality check.
So when we dug into the sources, the first finding is, well, it's pretty blunt. The whole thing is a
A
fabrication.
complete fake.
A complete fake. You simply cannot generate enough sustained thrust, enough lift from a bunch of, say, battery-powered leaf blowers to get a human being off the ground.
So the physics just completely falls apart.
It's a wall, yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, the power-to-weight ratio you'd need for personal flight it's just astronomically higher than what those little 18-volt batteries can deliver.
Okay, so it's not some secret prototype that got leaked. What did Ryobi, the company, have to say? I mean, it's their name all over it.
And that's the key. They weighed in. The sources confirm the company has officially stated they have not launched and are not developing anything called a hover disk.
Wow. So it's just unauthorized use of their branding.
Exactly. It's just very, very convincing visual effects and some clever editing that's leveraging, the trust people have in the Ryobi name.
And this is where it gets really important for you, the listener. This isn't just a funny CGI video anymore. It's actually crossed over into active online fraud.
Precisely. That's the practical reality here.
Mhm.
The sources give a really critical consumer warning about this.
Because the videos are so good, people are actually trying to sell it.
That's right. Fraudulent sellers have popped up everywhere on all sorts of websites claiming to be selling the Ryobi hover disk.
So let me just be clear. If you see this thing for sale online, anywhere,
It is a scam, 100%. Do not purchase it. You're not buying a product, you're just handing money to someone exploiting the hype.
so the big takeaway from our deep dive is pretty clear. A little bit of knowledge about what's actually possible with today's tech can protect you from this stuff.
Yeah, when you apply that knowledge, it's like a shield against misinformation
Yeah.
and, well, against getting your money stolen.
It really makes you think, though. Given how convincing these visual effects are getting and how easily they can be attached to a trusted brand name, how can we get better at spotting the difference between a genuinely ambitious prototype and a completely fabricated online hoax? Before we click that buy button, something to mull over.